Airports are supposed to be gateways to adventure. You've got your boarding pass, coffee in hand, and maybe even a vacation glow already setting in. But here's the part most travelers never see coming. Airports are also one of the most common hunting grounds for thieves. And I'm not talking about losing a bag to bad luck. I'm talking about people who intentionally target travelers at their most distracted moments. Parking lots, bathrooms, boarding gates, even mid-flight. Nowhere is truly off limits. The question is, will you spot the setup before it's too late? In this video, I'm breaking down the real airport danger zones most people overlook, how thieves actually pull it off, and the simple moves that make you the hardest target in the room. Stick with me to the end, because one of the most dangerous theft tricks doesn't happen inside the airport at all, but inside your own home while you're away.
Hi, I'm George, here to unlock the secrets you never knew existed. Welcome back to Altitude Hacks.
Number 1. The charging trap, your digital wallet at risk. Free USB charging ports feel like a gift after hours of travel. But what most people don't realize is that a USB port isn't just about power. It's also a data pipeline. A tampered port can infect your phone with malware or quietly pull information while you think it's charging. Lax even issued public warnings about this exact risk. But honestly, the bigger theft risk is way simpler: walking away. I've seen travelers plug in their phone at a charging station, leave it on the ledge, and wander off for snacks. By the time they're back, both the phone and everything inside it, boarding passes, hotel details, IDs, are gone. Solution? Carry a power bank, use a wall outlet, and never let your device charge beyond arm's reach. Number 2. The bathroom snatch, your bags at their weakest. You'd think stepping into an airport bathroom is harmless, but solo travelers quickly learn it's one of the trickiest spots to protect your gear. Bags on the stall floor? Easy to reach under and grab. Bags left outside? Forget it. You'll never see them again. Smart travelers stay tethered. A backpack strap looped around your leg, or your foot slipped through the handle of a rolling bag. If someone tries to pull it away, they're pulling you too. And never ask strangers to keep an eye on your things. The only safe option is either bringing it in and keeping physical contact, or traveling with a friend who can guard the bags while you take turns. Number 3. Baggage claim, the open buffet for thieves. Here's something people forget. Baggage claim is one of the few airport zones where anyone, ticket or no ticket, can walk right in. And that makes it a paradise for opportunists. Thieves don't need to sprint or look suspicious. They just stroll up to the carousel, grab a suitcase that looks like theirs, and walk out. No alarms. No one questions it. If your black Samsonette looks like 80 others, it's almost impossible to tell if someone accidentally picked it up. The hack? Get to the carousel fast, tag your bag with something bright or unique, and keep your eyes locked until it's in your hand. Don't give anyone the chance to casually steal your entire trip. Number 4. The in-flight pickpocket. Yes, it happens mid-air. Most people assume the plane itself is the safest place. Wrong. Some thieves deliberately book long-haul flights because dark cabins full of sleeping passengers are prime hunting grounds. The classic move: someone stretching mid-flight while quietly unzipping overhead bags. By the time you land, your bag is still there, just lighter. The under-seat area isn't much safer if you're asleep. A crossbody worn under a jacket, zippered pockets, or even clipping zippers with a small carabiner can make all the difference. Remember, these thieves want silent, zero-conflict wins. Any resistance, even a clipped zipper, often makes them move to the next person. Number 5. The fake helper at the curbside. The arrival and departure curb outside the terminal feels like the end of the chaos, but it's actually one of the riskiest spots. You're juggling luggage, searching for your Uber, and distracted by the traffic madness. That's when fake helpers strike, people posing as drivers, porters, or even wearing reflective vests to look official. They'll casually grab your bag, load it into their vehicle, and vanish. The golden rule? Never hand your bag to anyone you didn't personally request. Keep all valuables zipped until you're securely inside your ride. Friendly strangers at the curb aren't always friendly. Number 6. Parking lot jackpot. Your car isn't safe. You leave your car at the airport thinking it'll be fine until you're back. But airport parking lots are gold mines for car thieves. Vehicles sit unattended for days, sometimes weeks. Even older models get hit because they're easy to resell or strip. Secure garages aren't foolproof either. Cameras can't stop a thief, and alarms are often ignored. The trick is to make your car look like more work than it's worth. Steering wheel locks, parking near entrances, hiding anything that looks valuable. Hardcore travelers even disconnect the battery before flying. Extreme? Maybe. Effective? Absolutely. Number 7. The food court illusion of safety. Dining areas in airports feel comfortable until you realize how easy they make theft. You're seated, distracted, with your bag shoved under the chair and your phone sitting pretty on the table. Thieves love these zones because you're physically trapped, hands full of food. Common tricks include the jacket drop, where someone drapes a coat over your chair while sliding your phone away, or the casual bump as they walk past, snatching a bag strap. Solution: keep your bag between your legs or a foot through the strap, and never leave your phone visible. Lounges aren't safer either. If anything, thieves thrive there because travelers relax and let their guard down. Number 8. Security checkpoint sleight of hand. Ironically, the TSA checkpoint is one of the easiest places for thieves. You're busy juggling shoes, laptops, and liquids, while your wallet and phone glide out of reach on a tray. Thieves often work in pairs. One slows the line, the other snags items from the belt. In rare cases, even staff have been caught pocketing valuables during inspections. Your move: load bins in order. Coat and shoes first, valuables last, so they spend minimal time unattended. Better yet, if you're with a friend, one person clears the scanner first and waits for the bags. Treat those 10 feet of conveyor space as the most dangerous stretch of the entire airport. Number 9. The luggage tag mistake that leads to break-ins. Your luggage tag isn't just a way home for your bag. It can be a treasure map for burglars. Putting your full home address on the outside tells anyone watching that your house is empty. One discreet photo at check-in is all they need. The safer play? Use only an email or phone number on the tag and tuck your full address inside the bag if required. Otherwise, you're basically advertising your absence to anyone with a camera. Number 10. Location matters more than you think. Not every airport carries the same risk. In places like Tokyo or Singapore, theft is almost unheard of. But land in tourist hubs like Rome, Paris, or Barcelona, and pickpocketing is practically an art form. Teams work together with distraction tricks and group setups. In Southeast Asia, scams shift toward fake taxes, shady currency exchanges, or friendly locals who turn pushy fast. The smartest move before flying anywhere? Search city name scam for 2 minutes. You'll know exactly what tricks are common where you're headed. That knowledge can save you from learning the hard way. At the end of the day, airport theft isn't about bad luck, it's about opportunity. Thieves aren't looking for the richest person in the room. They're looking for the easiest target. And most of the time, the only difference between being safe and being robbed is a little awareness. Don't let predictability, distraction, or rushing make you the perfect victim. If this video gave you a few new ways to stay sharp, hit that like button, share it with someone flying soon, and subscribe to Altitude Hacks for more real-world travel smarts. Because the best trips don't just start with a safe flight. They start with staying one step ahead.